A wrong value chain analysis. This case is based on a true story of a machinery manufacturer from 90s.
Background.
K. Machine LLC was a big machinery company that focused textile and printing machines. These were similar to the machines produced by large companies based in Europe, mostly Germany, with cheap prices and acceptable quality. The company had a wide customer portfolio in Middle East and South Mediterranean countries.
A proper cost strategy.
The company was offering three advantages to its own customers: cheap price, an acceptable quality and rapid technical support. It was following a cost leadership strategy while providing these advantages. It could do that thanks to accessing cheap raw materials, employing talented young staff with proper salary, designing machines by not using outsource.
A new product.
In the early 90s, the company developed a new printing machine design that it copied from a leading German machinery company. The prototype seemed working well. The test results was shared with the customers. The company got more than 100 orders in a few months and delivered them. Until the end of first sixth month of the project, everything was perfect. But suddenly,
the big failure.
By seventh month, nearly all clients started to complain about mechanical problems. Technical support staff started to fly from one country to another to fix the problems. The cost of fixing operations including spare parts had become more and more than planned. Above all, the company's prestige had been mortally damaged. Finally, the project was ended by a huge failure.
What was wrong?
The main problem was analyzing value chain not properly. Actually, the analysis shows us that the company's serious advantages, except first ring of the chain. For instance, it is good at design, delivery speed, and technical support. But the deadly problem is, the materials used should have long durability. But managers preferred a low-quality alternative. That's because machines started to fail 6 months later. As it's seen, wrong material choice neutralized advantages of the value chain, such as good design or high-quality tech help competence. The manager should have known that having cheaper one does not always mean lower cost. They broke one of the main rules of the social contract between the company and the customers: acceptable quality.
Thanks for watching.